I first wanted to settle a debate in my community, and I actually saw this asked in the live stream as well, which is it pronounced Descript or Descript?
This was my first question when I joined the company too, so I'm gonna let Andrew answer this.
What did people tell you when you asked the question?
They said, honestly, they said people externally call it Descript, but people internally call it Descript. And so it's a
I
change
see.
you make when you join the company.
I've
like,
always heard Andrew say Descript, so that's what I say. That's what I'm like. If the source is saying it, then it's got to be Descript.
I say Descript too.
Really?
Yeah, it's there's a style guide where it depends on which part of the sentence it's used in, and some other aspects of stuff. So you have to. We have like a 20-minute video that we're working on that'll walk you through it all.
Great.
Yeah, we get tested on it internally, grammar and stuff, but it's a work in progress.